Hello, and thank you for visiting the Taleam Systems website. Please browse through the pages to view our services, products, and what we're up to nowadays in the fast evolving technology world. To give you a brief introduction about the business, Taleam Systems was founded in 2011, right after I finished high school, so that I could continue to use my computer skills which I gained through a cooperative education. Today, we have served more than 100 clients and counting. Our services in Ottawa include technology support such as setup, troubleshooting, and install and repair. In addition, we have added a new service called website design for our small business customers. We use top quality software to help you make your mark on the World Wide Web. Other computer services we offer include virus removal, Windows 10 installation, printer setup, and Wi-Fi troubleshooting, among other IT support services. If you require computer products such as internet security software, Microsoft software, Wi-Fi adapters, or network cables, we offer all these solutions with a guaranteed customer satisfaction. Just to provide a quick update, to respond to the current pandemic, Taleam Systems recently developed technology for hospitals and medical clinics, which is a desktop computer that can run without power. Also, we're currently working on educational data to help students with their studies. I want to thank you for listening, and feel free to reach out to us if you need any of our services or products. Thank you very much.